Johnny's Bar and Grill, Mexican and American cuisine with daily and weekly specials, juicy burgers, mouth-watering tacos, and more. 1519 West Highway 150 in Lincolnton.
Welcome back into the WHKY News, where it's time now for Community Focus. I'm Ralph Mangum. WHKY's Arianna Mack and her guest have the latest from the award-winning Caldwell Men's Chorus.
Caldwell Men's Chorus will hold their annual fall concert on Saturday, November 23rd at 7:30 p.m. at Lenoir Presbyterian Church. The award-winning Caldwell Men's Chorus is conducted by Keith Smith, joining WHKY just before the event.
Hi, my name is Keith Smith, and I'm the director of the Caldwell Men's Chorus, a group that is featured out of Lenoir, but is for the whole Unifor area. The group has been together since 1995. I've been directing since 2006, and we're very excited to know that this weekend, Saturday, November the 23rd, is our fall concert. It'll be at 7:30 p.m. at Lenoir Presbyterian Church. It's free to the public. We do take donations to defray the cost of production, but it's a free event, and we have some very exciting music coming up. We have 20 singers for this concert, ranging in age from 22 to 84. All these men are fine singers who can sing parts, and they very much enjoy singing, and they're great gentlemen as well. A lot of these men have either currently or in the past have been choir directors at their churches and or school music teachers, so we have a lot of experience there. As I said, they love singing. We do a very eclectic range of music, everything from sacred to secular. We do popular songs, we do ballads, we do show tunes, we do barbershop quartet, we do carols, we do spirituals. The first half of our concert will be spiritual music, and the second half is secular music, and people will recognize a lot of the songs we're doing. I Got Rhythm by George Gershwin, The Stray Cat Strut by the Stray Cats and Brian Setzer. So we look forward to seeing you on this Saturday night.
Thank you so much, Keith, for joining WHKY, and good luck, guys. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thank you, Arianna, and of course, it's always good to see our friend Keith Smith. A program is available to find loved ones who wander away from home. WHKY's Rob Eastwood went to the Catawba County Sheriff's Office to get information about that program from a member of its team.
Here at the Catawba County Sheriff's Office with Sandy Austin from the Community Relations Division, and we are talking about Project Lifesaver today. And first of all, to introduce this topic, tell us what Project Lifesaver is.
Project Lifesaver is a transmitter that has a 3-digit frequency number, so that if for some reason we had to do a search, that's the number we would use on that person.
Tell us how the process works if someone wanders. Like you're a family member, you're in this, and folks are looking at the footage now. I'm showing them the materials that you have laid out here, and the materials people would use. But once someone calls the sheriff's office, what happens next?
Okay, so what will happen, I'll get an email or get a phone call. When we do the application, we've got to do the application first. And then, once we get that done, then we got all their information. Okay. So all they would have to do is, once that's on there, is call 911 and say, hey, my mother or my son or whoever it is has just wandered off. I just don't know where they're at. So what it does, it sends us an alert that's on that search team. And so those people that's available will actually start in that area. You have people from Newton, Conover, Maiden, different areas that will come in different locations. So that way you've got, can get to them quicker.
The program is free to those who aren't able to pay, but some people do pay, correct?
Yes, sir. Some of them will pay $20 a month, but we do not turn down people that cannot afford it.
Well, thank you so much. We appreciate the work you're doing, and I know you also appreciate your volunteers.
Yes. It's wonderful to be a big part of this community and just being able to get out and help other ones.
Sandy Austin, Community Relations Division with the Catawba County Sheriff's Office. We're talking about Project Lifesaver. Check them out on their Facebook page. And with Sandy from the Catawba County Sheriff's Office, I'm Rob Eastwood, WHKY News.
Thank you, Rob, and thanks to Sandy Austin for her time. You can find the full interview with Rob and Ms. Austin on WHKY's YouTube channel. The 18th Annual Festival on the Square Christmas Tree Lighting Ceremony will be held Monday, November 25th in downtown Granite Falls. The festival begins at 6:15 p.m. The public is invited to arrive early to see 28 Christmas trees decorated by local school groups and civic organizations. Festival attendees can enjoy live Christmas music from local school choruses and bands. Several downtown businesses and faith-based organizations will have booths providing free refreshments, and there will be a special appearance by Santa Claus. Those attending are encouraged to bring a lawn chair. The event is supported by the North Carolina Arts Council. And that's Community Focus today. Thank you for your support. On behalf of Rob Eastwood, Jason Savage, Arianna, Mack, Keith Smith, and Sandy Austin, I'm Ralph Mangum. This has been the WHKY News.